Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you don't know who I am, that is who I am, and you have landed on my channel. So click subscribe if you want more videos like this or other fun things. Learn how to use your Cricut, learn how to do epoxy cups, learn how to make Disney stuff, all the fun things. We are gonna be talking about Waterslide today, but I'm showing you guys specifically how to fix Waterslide when you accidentally make mistakes like forgetting to mirror your wording or but messing up any parts of your Waterslide. So yes, it happens. The more you do it, the better you get at it. But if you have messed up some of your Waterslide, I'm just gonna show you some simple, easy ways to fix it. So let's get going. Alrighty guys, today I'm going to show you the Olaf cup and how to fix Waterslide. This sheet is available to you guys the correct way. You'll notice that the some people are worth melting for is forward in this, and when you're using our Waterslide paper, you actually have to make sure your words are printed backwards. So I printed the entire sheet out, and follow the previous video if you want to know exactly how to use our Waterslide paper. It's super easy and it's super simple, and it's so fun because you can literally print anything that you want and put it on fun things. So for this Olaf one, I made a collage with sunflowers and snowflakes and bees, and of course it's available to our members, so check that out in the personal use Disney files under Craft Day Creators, SVGs, and printables. Okay, so we're going to start with a white cup, and this cup is covered in just white glitter and it's already pre-epoxied. So I should mention that you want a smooth surface to start when you do your cups like this. Okay, so I'm putting all the decals on, and you can just arrange them however you like on your cup, but you're going to notice in about 2 seconds all the mess ups that I did on this cup. So I pulled off Olaf's face before he was fully dry, and it kind of tore it off, and then I realized that our design for Some People Are Worth Melting For needed to be backwards, and it wasn't. So I redesigned the sheet so that it is backwards, and you guys should be fine if you use this. But I'm using this for teaching purposes now. So right as soon as I found out that I had a mistake, I started scraping it off, because once it's dry, it's harder to get off. I used a baby wipe, and you can use some alcohol to try to get it off as well. And the Cricut scraper or any scraping tool you have should work. So then I just reprinted out the design and cut out the pieces that I need, so little Olaf's face, and I just aligned it up perfectly with where his face was and applied it just like that. And then I reapplied the Some People Are Worth Melting For, and then the cup was all ready to go. And then I'm just going to apply my epoxy like I would any other cup. Make sure to watch all of our other videos. If you don't know how to do this, we have step 1 and step 2 on how to mix epoxy and all the things. So if you guys love this, bye.